Okay, so yesterday I had mentioned after you have plowed the ground like I did over here, I basically did that with my fork yesterday. You then have to make sure that you water every single day for about a week before you start planting any seed. I get water from the rainwater tank, and we just connected it with a pipe, and then we put the water in the watering tank here. I'll show you how I water. So you can see it's water in there, making sure it's nice and wet. Okay, so I showed you a shot of how the spinach and the radish is looking that we're going to be adding.